Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today we are off to Howletts Zoo, which is in Kent, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So I thought I would vlog my day as I normally do when we have little days out like this and upload it for you guys, so I hope you enjoy.
Can I pet it? Can I pet that cat?
He's looking at you thinking, breakfast has turned up early.
You do look very delicious today, let's be honest. It's doing a little lap.
Big cabin.
It is.
Lovely picture taken.
They. No, I wouldn't either, girl. Oh boy. Oh, they've heard something.
Someone coming.
They can see that we're here and they're like, let's check these reinforcements. Or they're trying to get to us.
So we're now at Howletts. We've seen a lot of animals already, a lot more than we saw at Portland last year.
A ton.
Some of the the rhino bits closed at the moment. They're the same colour essentially.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, wrong animal. So we've looked at some of the animals. I've seen a lion, I've seen a tiger.
But she hasn't seen a bear. Oh my.
Oh my, no bears yet. So now we're just having a little wander. Oh, he's eating. All day. That's it. Oh, they're so beautiful. I love elephants.
Chunky, you want a bun?
They're so smart.
Oh look, he's gathering up
They're
some
looking
food.
for food.
It's amazing how their trunks work.
Got a lot of hands.
Oh, they're hungry. I've got some Velveeta biscuits. I don't think I can give them to you though.
Velveeta biscuit, Jesus.
They are so smart. Oh, look at it going, it's little sucky noises. Look at that little trunky trunk. It's far away. I feel like if that one came closer, there maybe like a juvenile. Oh, that one's a boy.
Oh, that's a boy.
Oh, that's a boy,
Holy
yeah.
Okay, yeah, guys, we figured out how to gender them. Yeah, I know, right? Oh yeah, same. He said, what? Yes. Please don't rip my face off.
Some more flies, look.
Can you
Oh,
stop assuming they're gender, please?
You're enjoying eating them flowers.
Who? It's a Herbosaurus.
So we're now in the Ice Age bit. So there's like plastic dinosaurs and monkeys down here. And, oh, what the hell is that thing? Yeah, honestly, I don't really... I'm a bit confused by the map because we've never been here before, so we're not really sure where we're wandering. What on earth is that? What's this? Let me go find out what you are. Complete teeth. Yeah, I agree with that. I agree with that. Here they come, the motley crew, and then Dad's just behind them.
That one's called a welded beast. Hey girl.
Hey girl, hi.
Hey girl. Can I pet that dog?
Crack on.
Oh, look at that one. Oh, that one is gorge.
Hello.
Look at them. It's okay, we're friends, not foes. Although you could definitely tear us apart if you wanted to.
Mm-hmm. And here we have a lesser spotted sibling taking photos of flowers.
Big fat bee though.
Bees are okay, we like bees, it's the wasps we don't like. We stopped for lunch. I say lunch, it was like 10:30, we had like a mid-morning break. Went down and looked at some gorillas, but there wasn't actually any there. And I'm just in the toilets, Tasha's doing her
Oh,
hair.
don't film me now, my shirt's all the way up. You're always trying to film me when I'm like indecent time.
Is it a haunted toilet?
Apparently so.
Anyway, we're going to go look at those animals in a minute. True to form, Tasha's waiting for a bus in this little shelter. She might be here for a while.
It's due 20 minutes ago.
I know, Tash, it's just the service you get here. It's monkeys.
I don't think that worked. You tried, I don't think it worked.
Oh, wait for your bus in silence then. Bye Tash, love you. Good luck waiting for your bus. It might be along in about 5-10 minutes. Bye Sibby.
Catch up to you when the bus.
Okay, bye. Not to jinx it, but we've not really seen anyone else. It's just been us. There was a couple of other people that came through the admission gate with us. I say other people, there's like 6 people. Otherwise, it's just been the 4 of us. I've seen one other man in the coffee shop and a couple of ladies just walking around. Other than that, it just seems to be us. So it's quite nice because we can actually go and look at everything. Which is nice. There's a few enclosures that don't have any animals in at the moment, but that's fine. They did say. It's very nice here, I like it.
Thank you very much. I'm just getting crumbs. I was like, I'm not going to hold you with that. Yes. Good girl, time. Steady. Good girl.
That's yeah. Yeah, I'll give you.
Yeah, good. Yeah. She's training us, so we're going to get them. What can you do? You're being naughty. Eh? You're being naughty.
Even elephant.
Good girl, Tam. Very good. Tammy, come. Tam. Come on, Tam. Come, Tam. Come on. She's reluctant to push her daughter out of the way. Tamara!
always fetch that thingy, look.
Oh,
I think that's someone's rib.
the doggy playing fetch.
It's got meat on it.
Disgusting.
His tail's
Oh,
going, so he must be.
goodness.
It's got strong teeth, hasn't
It literally snapped that bone thing. Oh
he?
my
Oh,
god.
Jesus. It's going to pull your teeth out, mate. You want to see the dentist?
They're very intelligent creatures. Oh my god,
They're our
I can see
cousins,
three.
Tom.
I can see three of them.
They are our evolutionary cousins.
Yeah, there's one up there. And there's another one over there.
At the wrong time, that could have been a water in it.
Well,
Oh, that was very. There's no water.
I want one of them to go down the slide. It's not a
To be
hydro.
fair, if you have a slide in your house, the novelty would wear off, wouldn't it?
I don't think so. Imagine going downstairs every day and going, woo! Down the slide.
Yeah, I guess. But then to get back up again, you've got to use the stairs, haven't you?
But we'll have one of those like stair lifts.
That seems lazy.
I'm gonna pet the gorilla dog.
There's a little
pet the dog.
baby.
Oh, I wanna take it home, please, 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 please.
Oh baby, you're so
Oh
small.
my god, look at it, look at it, look at it! Oh my god, that is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
We just spent a really long time looking at the gorillas. There was a little baby one there that we saw and it was really cute and it was eating. So we just didn't watch that for like 15 minutes. And we're pretty much back to where we started a moment ago. Mosh is just walking up ahead. Dad and Tash are just looking at the baby gorilla again. And that popping sound you can hear is the electric fence. They've been doing that all day. But yeah, other than when the elephants were getting fed just a minute ago, we've literally seen no one. There was about 15 people where the elephants were, but they've all gone a different direction. I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting a bit hot now and my foot is starting to hurt, but yeah, we're having a really nice day and it's not rained, which has been nice, but it's not like the heat wave that we've been having, so it's been good. We were just sitting on these little benches and there was no elephants and all of a sudden they've appeared.
There's more coming up there.
Yeah, they're all over there. You had a drink. Yeah, no, he was having a drink.
I can't see it, there's a bloody...
Whoa, it sprayed us.
Trying to cool down. So we've now actually done it at Howletts. We've done everything. It's 1 o'clock now. We got here at 9:30. We looked at everything we wanted to. There was a couple of empty cages, but they had mentioned that. So yeah, now we are off home. Oh, enclosures.
Sounds a bit nicer, doesn't it?
Yeah, and cage. Yeah,
But
enclosures.
A cage is a cage.
Yeah, a cage is a cage, no matter what you call it. You knew what I meant though.
Yeah.
But yeah, so now we're done. So we're going to get back in the car and head home. So hope you enjoyed the video. It's probably a short one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in another one. Bye.